So today I am going to be doing a Dollskill try-on haul. I already tried to film this once. I accidentally used clothes from another brand that sent me stuff, so yeah, I have to refilm it, and now I'm baked, so welcome. Things first, I got these crazy ass boots that make me like 6'3" or something like that. Anyways, these are them. They're pretty extreme, not for everyone, but they're for me. So I find them actually really easy to walk in. They're super light. They just make you super tall, so you kind of like wobble a bit, you can. So you have to be careful with that if you're not experienced wearing heels. Other than that, I really like these shoes. They're super comfortable. I would recommend getting maybe half a size bigger if you want to wear like thicker kind of socks, like ankle socks, then it's true to size. So I also got these. I'm not the biggest fan. They're the most impractical things. Like, I wasn't gonna wear these out of the house. Like, these are just like indoor slippers, but even just as indoor slippers, they fucking suck. Like, they're just not supportive at all. The bottom part, the fuzzy part, is way too slippery. So now that I'm walking in them, they're actually not as bad as I thought. I think you just need to wear them a couple times, which I have been doing, to see if the fuzzy slipperiness goes away. So yeah, these aren't actually that bad now. I mean, they still feel kind of weird though. But yeah, I don't know, as indoor slippers are fine. Right? I don't know. Next thing I got are, they're cute and all, but I wish they were a tiny bit longer, and also I got a size small and they're pretty big around my waist. So yeah, I'm not really sure how I feel about these just yet. Maybe if I find a good outfit to wear them with, I'll like them more. I don't know if I really feel them. Next thing I got is this fuzzy sweater, which I love. It's so comfy. Only downfall, which I wish this sweater had, is the fuzziness from the outside all the way around on the inside too, because I like to be cozy all around, not just on the outside. So yeah, I wish it was fuzzy all the way around, but it's pretty cute. The next thing that I got is this onesie. It is so comfortable. I was living in it ever since I got it. Super stoked on it. It's just a tie-dye, like zip-up waffle print or waffle material onesie. And then I also got leggings that actually I saw the model that was in the Dollskill website that was wearing this sweater that I wanted, and then she was also wearing like these comfy, like high-waisted leggings, sweatpant things. I really don't like them. They are not flattering at all. They just like look weird on my body. Yeah, I do not recommend those. Maybe if you have a really long torso, or I don't know. They just don't look good. So that's everything that I got from Dollskill. Yeah, some things I like, some things I didn't. I hope you guys got something from this video. See you on the next one.